Hi everybody, this is the second part for the Arabic handwriting. We have previous one, the part 1. So you can see the different styles from now onwards in the second part. So drawing the meme, and you can see the ha. Alright, and the curvy point just coming like a flow. You can see lots of drawings in a single file, and dal is going to be like this. So here doing the grammatical factors, and you can see everything here looks good. So this is the Muhammad one style. Let's go for the separate one. Okay, so here it's going to be horizontally elongated. Okay, and you can see the dal here. So putting one stuff here, and you can see other stuff. Awesome. So this is very simple, quite elongated. The next one, it's like a regular shape, and let's see, very simple regular shape. So for the calligraphy, this is the widely practiced parts. Okay, and you can see the dal here. Okay, so one part, other parts, and you can see the parts. This is the Muhammad, and without those forms we are going to draw a simple one. This is another style. So everything has similarity but has a little bit variations. Okay, so you can see it's quite simple and separate types. Then let's go for the next one. This starts from the top. Okay, and you can see the curved lines just coming up here. Okay, and you can see and follow the instructions. So this is the organic shape. And this is just defines the Muhammad, mim, ha, mim, and dal. So other forms just for the ornamentation purpose. So these things happens for the Arabic calligraphy. And let's draw another style. Here you can see the meme starting from top, like a, the flash electrical signal. Then you can see the round shape, and here meme starts another way, and dal you can see coming straight towards, and this is the dal. So this is also looks like a Muhammad. All right, so there are lots of style, everything's I got from the internet. So I'm not the expert, but I'm just starting the practice and making video here so that you can also practice too in a single file, and you can see how you do write and what are the steps, like one steps and then next steps, and how does the curve things happens. So that's for the learning purpose. Okay, so this is also Muhammad. Just follow the curved lines and the flowing, which I am just using here for drawing all the calligraphic parts. This is going to be the meme, and you can see ha, and this is also coming up here, and meme looks like this, and dal here. Okay, so also you can see the Muhammad here. The next one, you can see this is quite round shaped, and just getting the round. And the finishing line, it has another extension. So this is also Muhammad. So last extensions you can see here, and let's see another one. So it's like a combinations. So this is the meme here. Okay, then you can see the ha, Then it comes like at the bottom, and you can see the meme here, ha, and you can see the another dal just coming here. Okay, and we're going to put one symbol here, and this is like this one, and the last one we're going to have final ornamentation here. So it's little bit complex, but this also meme, ha, meme, and dal. So there's the Arabic calligraphy. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.